Hi and welcome to the channel. I'm Stephanie, and in this video I'm going to show you how I made this beautiful seashell tree. While I'm using it for my coastal Christmas decor, you can use it anytime in your home for a beautiful natural look of the sea right in your favorite place. I have my glue gun heating up, and hot glue and styrofoam typically do not mix, so it's got to be used very carefully. You can use a paper cone, which they are readily available around the holidays in craft stores. It's a really hard craft paper type of cone. It's thicker than craft paper, but that's the kind of look that it has if you are uneasy about using hot glue with your shells. So the first thing I'm going to do, I have old shipping Amazon box, but any kind of cardboard, just to protect my table if the hot glue starts to get a little bit drippy. So the first thing I've done is lay out my larger shells just flat so I have an idea of what I'm working with. And then I have some little tiny shells to fill in spaces. These aren't actually real shells, these are resin. These are from Temu. They were a couple of dollars, and I have 50 of them. And then this mixed bag. These here are from Dollar Tree, believe it or not. So this whole package was $1.25. And then this bag is from Hobby Lobby. I think this was $4.49, and that was 30% off. So generally this is probably going to be about a $10 project. The cone, you know, that's going to range in price, sale price, whether you get styrofoam or the paper. It should be under $5. And there's all kind of sizes of those available. I'm going to look through these and kind of figure out how I want them to lay out before I put the glue on there, because once the glue is on and it's stuck, that's pretty much where it's going to remain. And so what I've done is put all the really small shells into this dish that will be up near the top. And then the flat scallop style shells, even the small ones, I put up here just so that I know where those are. And then the mid-size, like the conch shells, and I don't know what these spiral shells are called. They're pretty, and they're in there. So these I have laid out kind of graduated. So I have the larger ones down here, and then so that they get a little bit smaller towards the top again, so that I can use large on the bottom and then work my way up smaller shells proportionately. So how you're going to want to use hot glue with styrofoam is when you put your glue on, let it cool just a bit so it gets kind of tacky and it's not quite so warm, and put it on all the spots that are going to come into contact with the styrofoam. I've got glue and it's cooling off just a bit. And I'm going to affix it here. And you're going to be layering the shells a bit so that they'll be not only touching the styrofoam, but they'll be touching each other. Just gonna hold that in place. Laying something flat on something round isn't always the best idea. There we go. And let that cool just a bit. It sets. On my bottom, I'm just going to kind of put the scallop shells around, and then let these kind of frame everything, and then go back with these more oddly shaped shells and fill in the gaps.